I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. So Gail, what are we making today?
Today we are making hands of summer, we're calling them, and it's handprints of things to do with summer. Mine's a melting ice cream cone. And
Mine's a jellyfish.
all right. So before we get started, we're going to do a breathing exercise, and I'm calling this handprint breath. So what you're going to do is you're going to make two fists when you breathe in, and when you exhale, you're going to make your handprints like we're going to be doing on the paper. Okay, so we're going to do this 2 times together. Ready, Peggy?
Okay.
Okay, inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. Okay, we're ready to go. So what supplies do we need?
Very simple today. Paper and paint.
Okay, that's easy. All right, I'll show you this was my ice cream cone. I just cut a piece of paper out here, and then I just did 2 upside down handprints. But what I'm going to try to do today is I'm going to try and make a crab that you would see swimming in the ocean. So I'm going to just quickly show you how I'm going to get started, and then you can show us what you're going to do. So you can put your hands in the paint like that, but I'm just, I love getting messy. So I'm just going to paint my hand red, and I'm going to do this 2 times to do both sides of the crab. So I'll just show you one side, and then you can show us what you're going to do. All right, so here's my hand. And so here's one side of my crab.
All right.
Why don't you start on yours, and then I'll show you how mine came out.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how I made my jellyfish. So I'm also going to do what Gail did and paint my hand. So I'm going to do an orange jellyfish today. So I'm painting my hand orange. And like Gail said, you can also just spread the paint on a paper plate and put your hand down that way. Let me see your crab, Gail.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is, here it is, and I'm just going to fill in the parts that are white right now, if you can see, and then I'm going to add a little head and eyes to it.
Okay, I'm going to make my jellyfish. So I'm going to press down. And then I'm going to turn it this way so that my fingerprints are down the bottom for the jellyfish. And I'm going to fill in too some parts, but you don't have to.
No.
You can do all kinds of things with handprints.
Yeah. I'm going to do my eyes with the Sharpie. And while we're finishing working on these, Peggy, I'm going to tell you a little joke.
Okay.
Okay. What did the police officer say to the hand?
What did the police officer say to the hand? I don't know.
You're under arrest.
That's cute.
Thank you. So here's my crab. It came out really cute.
Oh, I like that. Looks like a crab.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I don't have a joke, but I thought I'd show you, since we're starting summer right now and we're going to be doing some summer crafts, that I'd show you the sign in American Sign Language for summer.
Great.
So you take your pointer finger, your index finger, and you bring it across your forehead and then curve your finger down. And so it's like the sweat, you're wiping the sweat from summer and the heat.
Oh, that's great. So we can say happy summer.
That's right. Good.
Thank you.
I like that. Happy
summer. So
Okay.
Thank you all for joining us. Let's see yours, Peggy.
Yep, hold on, let me get got some glue stuck on the eye. Let me see. I still have to
Oh, I love that
put a
jellyfish.
smile on the jellyfish.
Very nice. Thank you for joining us. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye. Remember to wash your hands.